In the world's largest reptile centre, every snake is carefully sorted before its journey into the factory. Each crate is designed for safety, for strength, and for controlled transport. Every batch is scanned, tracked, and recorded with precision from start to finish. Once everything is prepared, the crates are transferred into specialised transport trucks. The journey continues toward one of the largest snake processing plants on the planet. A wave of cold mist escapes, revealing the first step inside the mega factory. Each crate is moved with care onto automated receiving systems. Quality inspection begins, ensuring each snake meets processing standards. A powerful cleansing system washes and prepares the snakes for primary processing. Skilled workers and precision machines begin the delicate skin removal stage. Automation takes over, ensuring accuracy while speeding up production. The raw hides continue forward, moving into specialised treatment sections. Chemical washing removes impurities and prepares the leather for tanning. Deep tanning and colour treatment give the leather its strength, its durability, and its identity. The hides are stretched to perfection, creating smooth, even surfaces. Rows of drying skins fill the chamber as airflow systems complete the final phase. Every finished sheet is graded, packed, and prepared for global distribution. If you found this fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible factory discoveries.